We are now in the last part of our discussion. So example 5. So the major axis of the elliptical path in which the earth moves around the sun is approximately 186 million miles, and the eccentricity of the ellipse is 1 over 60. So determine the apogee of the earth. Okay, so we will try to illustrate the problem. Okay, so we have this here. So we have example 5. Okay, so we have this axis here. Then we will do the elliptical path. Okay, so elliptical path or the Earth orbit. Okay, so we will draw it in a nice way. Okay, try to do it again, guys. Okay. Okay. Just assume that this is a perfect ellipse. Okay. So from this is the center. So this will be the Earth. Okay. So the Earth will revolve into this elliptical path here. Okay. So say this Earth. Okay. We have the Earth. Then the Sun is at the focus. Okay. So that will be the Sun. Okay. So with the given guys is a major axis, okay, and the eccentricity. So this from the center, so the center to the vertex here of the earth, so that is our A. Also to the right side, so that is also A. So the sun is at the focus, so that is our C. Okay, so the closest or the point of the earth's orbit that is nearest the sun is called the uh, perihelion. Okay, so perihelion is the point. Okay, so the point of the Earth's orbit that is nearest. Okay, so take note, nearest to the sun. Okay, or this is also called as perigee. Okay, so that is also perigee. Then while the point of the Earth's orbit that is farthest, okay, so that is farthest away from the sun. So what we call that is the aphelion or the apogee. Okay, so those are the terms. So do not forget apogee, farthest, sun and earth, then perigee, nearest earth and sun. Okay, so now in order to solve this, so we are required to solve for the apogee. So from the illustration, as we can see that apogee is equal to A plus C. So we will take advantage of the given the major axis, so that is 2A. So given 186 million, okay, I'll make it M for million mile. So therefore our A is equal to 93 million miles. So that is our A. So we don't have any value for C, but we have the value of A and also the given eccentricity, which is equal to 1 over 60. We note that we all know that E is equal to C over A. So therefore, C is equal to A times E. So what will happen to this equation will be equal to A plus A times E. Okay? So with that, gagawin natin is the apogee now will be equal to A, so 93, then plus A times E. So 93 times 1 over 60. Okay, so therefore the apogee is equal to 94.55 million miles. Okay, so that's all for ellipse. So we will have our last discussion about the hyperbola.